Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this video I'm once again redrawing a character that was designed by one of my subscribers, and this time that subscriber is Kaiden Miller. Go check him out on his Instagram account and give him some love. He has sent me a super cool character that he designed with an awesome background story, so let's have a look. Okay, this character is named Chamber. She is a cyborg. The main colors are red with some black clothing and yellow details. She's packing some rocket launchers on her back, which is very cool, and her arms contain machine guns that can pop out, which is awesome. The eyes are a cool detail as well. Where normal people have white, she has black, and that creates an interesting look, I think. Julian Alfonso, a brilliant scientist who created machines, built an android named Chamber after the tragic murder of his wife Nora. She was created to be a bodyguard that would protect him. He designed her with all sorts of weaponry and gadgets that were guaranteed to kill the outsiders and stop them from getting his technology. She was also modeled after Julian's wife, and he was still mourning her death. At first, when people would break in, she eliminated the intruders, but she began to understand life beyond the programming she was given, and when people would break in, she would tell them to run away. Julian, who realized this as he did some routine checks, decided he couldn't trust her anymore. He began plotting his revenge on his wife's killers. He attacked the city in a mech he created. Mentally unstable, he gave himself the persona Malice. Chamber, who found out about his plans, decided to go and stop him. After a long battle, Chamber rose victorious, and Julian ended up in cuffs. The crowd cheered her on. Chamber realized the potential she had and decided to become a hero and use her abilities for good. Well, that's it for this week's video. Thank you Kaiden Miller for sending me this awesome character. I had a lot of fun with it. And if you guys liked the illustration I made of this cool character, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!